Fire escape or fire trap. How openable window sleek grille can save lives. Every second counts in a fire. But what if your escape route becomes a deadly barrier? Traditional window grilles, meant for security, can turn into life-threatening traps. Openable sleek grille offer peace of mind for both security and safety. In case of fire, they transform from secure barriers to your lifeline. Showcase the benefits of openable sleek grille in a fire emergency. Quick escape. A young child easily unlocks and opens the window grille, sliding out to safety with a parent close behind. Firefighter access. A firefighter arrives, uses a specialized tool to effortlessly unlock and detach the grille, gaining quick access to the building. Smoke ventilation. The open window created by the grille allows for vital smoke ventilation, improving conditions for those trapped inside. Openable sleek grille aren't just about keeping intruders out. They're about keeping your family safe from the dangers of fire. They're the escape route you never knew you needed, designed to give you precious seconds and a clear path to safety.